We're crooked. It's because Kevin's short. See, there he is. Hang on. All right, there we go. So Russ and Kevin here. We're gonna do some yard cleanup. Finally got the skid steer running. Let me show you. It's alive. Thought we had battery issue. Ended up being a wiring issue. Kevin and I did some digging around, and just from wiggling and jiggling wires, we figured out what it was. Haven't run this since, I don't know, it's been a couple months probably almost. But we're gonna get all the yard cleaned up down here. I'm gonna turn the camera over to Kevin, and Kevin's gonna do what Kevin does, and I'm gonna see if I can make a video out of it when we're done. If he talks, he talks. If he doesn't, that's fine. Skid steer is still working. I'm excited right now, so let's get this going. we're gonna test out the capabilities of the Green Monster here. Got a big cherry piece on there. It's got a real big flare at the bottom. It's about 28 inches on this end, about 16 on the other. So I'm gonna take a pass and see if I can get a big chunk of this off right now and flatten it out so we can flop it over, but Kevin's gonna record for us. Take the chainsaw, get in here and cut a piece of that out. It's catching on the frame of the machine. So let me do that, I guess, because now we're stuck. Yeah. Over where our saw guide is on this side, we're hitting on the saw guide, so I gotta trim just the corner off. Hang on just a second. Just like that. Out of it. So we'll get 5 2-inch slabs, cutting it this way. Four 2-inch slabs because there was too much of a taper in that. by myself without Kevin's help. He's holding the camera grinning, but I want his help, so hold on just a minute. Yep. Look at that, guys. Tell me that's not beautiful. So we got 2 more of those big slabs to go with that one over there. I'm thinking they're 150 bucks a piece on a bad day, and on a good day they ought to be worth 200 or better. These are true 2-inch live edge both sides. The coloration in these things is amazing. Kevin's learning how to run the camera today, so he's doing some camera work. But man, oh man, are these things nice. Let's look at them one more time. I mean, when you look at the color that's in these things and the grain, it's beautiful. This one here's got a split in it. You can see the split right here. Kevin's pointing it out. Some epoxy or trim it off, but somebody that does woodworking, they're not gonna mind that too much when they see the color and the character that's in this piece of wood. This thing is gorgeous and it's big. We'll take a measurement in a minute and we'll let you know what size these things are, but I'm betting they're close to 30 inches wide in that wide section down there, and they're awesome.
Ready? Look at my beautiful wood.
So there's 4 more really nice character-filled cherry slabs from logs that we've been picking out of the pile. These things are going to make some gorgeous, gorgeous tables, furniture, countertops, something. But they're 9 feet long, and Kevin likes them, don't you, Kevin?
Yep.
So let's see what we produced for lumber while we were playing. I know we got 8 really nice big cherry planks, and I'll show you those in just a second. We got 4 of them on the mill right here. We've got a pile of 1.25-inch cherry boards over there. I'll count those later. We've got the 4 big slabs up back there, and we also added about 20 more short slabs, live edge, over in that pile. So not a bad day of playing around with the sawmill. The yard's all cleaned up and pushed back. We've got the splitter moved up to the pile so we can make some room for Gramp. He's been over chomping, but I've been trying to get some stuff cleaned up. Tomorrow, I gave Kevin the day off because we need some time off. We've had a busy week. We did 21 cord so far, and we've still got 1 more day. We're gonna work Sunday, take Saturday off. But tomorrow, I'm gonna work on those big pine over there and see what I can get for boards out of them. And then if I've got time, I'm gonna attack the pile of logs down there. There's some pine and some cedar in there, and see what we can get out of that. I'm really liking this sawmill, guys. So when I put this video together, we'll see how Kevin did with his camera skills. Sorry about that sun there. I'll see if I can block it. And see what we can put together for a video. I let him run the camera and he was having fun, so I'm kind of anxious to see what we get. But remember, guys, a little bit every day goes a long way. Help someone if you can. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.